Hello everyone and welcome to day 6 of our 15-day SQL series on SQL tricks and traps. Today we are going to clean up our messy data using two functions, replace and translate. So watch through the end where you will also get a chance to answer a SQL riddle. Answer all the SQL riddles asked in our 15 SQL videos of this series, and if you answer them all correctly, you could win free access to our SQL online courses. So you can see we have really messy data in a sample data set in different columns, the full name, phone, and comments. Our first query is going to use the replace function, which can replace any characters or substring with another string. So here we are going to replace the stars in the full name with an empty string. Now, if you need to replace multiple junk characters in your query, it can get quite tricky because you will need to use nested replace. This will serve the purpose, but there is an easier way. You can use the translate function, which replaces any character in the specified string with a corresponding replacement character. With this clever trick, we are first going to convert the unwanted characters into pipes. Next, we are going to use the replace function to convert these pipes to empty strings. Similar trick can be used to normalize the phone numbers by first using the translate function to replace the unwanted characters and then using the replace function to replace the resulting spaces with an empty string. Now that you know how to smartly use the replace and translate function, it's time for the SQL riddle of the day. Solve the riddle, post your answers in the comments below, and if you're able to solve all the 15 riddles correctly, then at the end of the series, you can win free access to our SQL online courses. So all the best and see you in the next video.